Before we jump into foreseeing the stellar future and XLM cost conjecture, we should rapidly summarize what looks for you in this video. First, we investigate what's going on with Stellar all in a fast overview, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Then, at that point, we cover our very own XLM value expectations and market XLM figures, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. We will likewise plunge our toes into the most distant eventual fate of XLM and certainly give our stellar cost expectations for 2021, 2025 and 2030. We will likewise respond to the absolute most normal inquiries regarding XLM value targets and how sort of high it can go, similar to will XLM hit $10 or will XLM explicitly reach $100 and comparative. We likewise offer our viewpoint in the event that Stellar is a by and large wise speculation by any means, for what reason might it at any point really succeed or generally flop in a very significant manner. Heavenly Lumens truly is a cryptographic money stage that spotlights on settlement and cross-line installments. Heavenly especially is expecting to be a really open monetary framework that gives individuals of all pay levels admittance to sort of minimal expense monetary administrations. These administrations incorporate, yet are not sort of restricted to, remittances in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Micropayments, or so they basically thought. Mobile branches. Mobile money. Notwithstanding these administrations, one extremely strong component of the organization sort of is their distributed exchange amazingly. Clients can trade their assets for other digital forms of money or government-issued types of money, utilizing the stage's trade secures in a significant manner. Heavenly Lumens price prediction for 2022. It sort of is very evident that cryptographic money value expectations ought to be thought about while taking other factors into consideration, however there in every practical sense are variables to in a real sense pay special attention to that will in all likelihood truly have a direction on the future cost of the by and large more extensive digital currency market as opposed to prevalent thinking. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in ruling digital currency markets, the degree of digital currency reception in the approaching year, and then the degree of development in the digital money fates market, the utility of tokens, and the capacity of the fundamental innovation to generally tackle true issues. All crypto fans and holders in a real sense have been partaking over the most recent few months of 2020 and the beginning of 2021, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin in every way that really matters crushed all obstruction levels and continued to set new all-time highs. All altcoins for the most part gone with the same pattern and their worth in dollars basically soar. Moreover, there were 2 or 3 short yet entirely beneficial altcoins bull seasons that saw new and old altcoins flooding, blasting through old all-time high records and setting new achievements. Heavenly truly was one of those altcoins that really is still to basically have its 5 minutes of popularity, where it outperforms Bitcoin and the remainder of the market by a ton, which especially is genuinely critical. Is that cost flood going to occur, and can Stellar arrive at new all-time highs in 2021, in a real sense is the issue on brain of each and every essentially current and sort of potential XLM holder. Chances most certainly are that Bitcoin basically isn't yet finished with rampaging the bears, which subsequently especially implies that altcoins are set to see more bull runs in 2021. Should this in every practical sense be the situation, we immovably generally trust that Stellar's ongoing all-time extremely high is bound to be broken, which is genuinely huge. Heavenly basically will undoubtedly succeed, particularly assuming we think about Stellar's essentials. The venture has seen tremendous enhancements for mechanical front, local area development, sort of was touchy, liquidity is plentiful, certifiable reception, beyond crypto circles, is approaching, there by and large were no significant difficulties, no code lacks and abuses, no calculated defects in its plan, no group debates or divisions and so on. The main predicament is when will Stellar sparkle in full structure, will it generally be in 2021, or will financial backers need to essentially be furnished with more persistence, or so they really thought. Initial segment of 2021 fundamentally has passed on a ton to basically be wanted for holders however, before stellar accomplishment from 2017 to 18 offered us a brief look into Stellar's capacity to sort of make shockwaves through the crypto world and past in an unpretentious manner. Heavenly Lumens Price Prediction 2022 amazingly. 2022 September 22.83% $0.0906, or so they in a real sense thought. 2022 October 37.32% $0.0736 in a sort of significant manner. 2022 November 25.49% $0.0875, which is genuinely huge. 2022, December 19.88% $0.0941. 2023, Jan 14.35% $0.1006, which basically is genuinely huge. 2023 February 8.14% $0.1079, or so they basically thought. 2023 March 6.96% $0.1093, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 2023 April plus 0.41% $0.1179. 2023 May plus 6.48% $0.1251. 2023 June plus 17.06% $0.1375. 2023 July plus 17.72% $0.1383. 2023 August plus 23.60% $0.1452, which in every practical sense is very critical. Heavenly Lumens Price Prediction 2025 2030 2040 amazingly. Since we expect Stellar to fundamentally be among the uncommon coins that will really endure to the point of basically seeing 2025 and then some, we essentially anticipate that its 2025 cost should be $0.3418 Stellar Lumens cost in 2030 and past will in a real sense be a kind of the most 2 to 5x of that cost. Greater part of altcoins will fall flat. Most of ventures will truly fall flat, a few new companies are made just to truly assemble reserves and vanish, some wouldn't for the most part deal with the opposition, yet most are simply thoughts that fundamentally look very great on paper, yet as a general rule, are pointless for the market in a significant manner. For what reason will Stellar succeed? For what reason will Stellar XLM increment its cost from now on, which really is genuinely critical? All things considered, the vast majority of recordings on Stellar cost expectation, especially notice the IBM organization all their